Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to O2O Tutorials. Today we're going to be walking you through your dashboard. So essentially that's this page here, and it's what's going to come up every time you log into the platform. Across the top here we've got all of your options, so your dashboard, where you are currently. If you ever stray away you can come back just by clicking here. Section for your meetings, your connections and your event day plan. Your event day plan is essentially just your personal organizer for your time at the exhibition. Here you'll be able to find your buyers, products and transactions and view your profile, and here we've got your exhibitor form. Now this little widget here is going to show you meetings. Once you've confirmed some, they'll come up here, and if there's any pending they'll be right here. If you're selling exclusively online, you'll get this widget here. That's going to show you your total order value and the average value of your orders. This one over here is for your inbox. Fairly self-explanatory. If you've got any unread messages, it's going to tell you here. And this one is your connections. So anyone you're friends with on O2O is going to come up here. You can click through, view their profile, message them, etc., etc. Now this section here is your recommended visitors. These are the people who are most likely to come see you, and that's been determined by our algorithm. You're going to see their name, rank and category. That's going to match yours 9 times out of 10. You can also view their company, country of origin and request a meeting directly from your dashboard. Over here we've got your profile and similar supplier profile visitors. This is just a list of people who've looked at your profile or profiles similar to yours, so you may want to get in contact with them to sort out some deals. If we go down here, we have your Smart Match visitors. Now these are visitors who have been determined by our algorithm to be of most beneficial to your business, so think quality partnerships, that kind of thing. Over here we have a list of all the visitors in your category, so every single visitor who does what you do comes up here. Same as before: name, rank, category, company, country and request a meeting. So that's essentially all there is to O2O on your dashboard page. Anything else you need, just send us an email and we'll help you out. Have a great day.